Well, I'm here at Best Buy trying to find a new mic for you guys. I thought it said they had one in stock on the north side, but it looks like they only have them in the Valley location, so it's kind of a drive out there for us. We can go back to the shop, get the STI, and head out there. Here we go. Today is officially the last drive. Now, I'm probably gonna title the video The Last Drive. Gonna confuse quite a bit of you guys. No, I'm not selling the car, but tomorrow morning, this car goes to Ranch Built for the new setup and the ABS relocation. So this is the last drive of having the turbo up in the headlight and the exhaust coming out the fender. I haven't really driven this car in quite a few weeks now, and I just want to drive it one last time because I do think I'm going to miss having the exhaust out of the fender quite a bit. Main reason thing is just when I drive this car on the street, I get so many looks and it's hilarious just seeing all these people staring at me with my exhaust shooting out their face. And I failed miserably taking you guys with me every time I've driven this car. Normally what ends up happening is it's very late, last minute notice, and I go out cruising on a weekend and I forget my camera. This is unfortunate. It has been raining all night and now it's just kind of drizzling this morning. Yesterday it was so sunny out, so it's sad that we do not have another sunny day because really I don't like driving this car in any condition unless it is clear outside. But since this is the last drive with this setup, I think it's fine if we go ahead and take this out. There is one thing I need to try to fix before we go drive this. My fuel gauge had just stopped working. I was doing a few street hits. One of the street hits just stopped the fuel gauge from working. I'm assuming the float wiring came loose just because, you know, this car has so much power and it just vibrated loose. I'm not quite sure, but it is quite terrifying driving this car without seeing how much fuel I have. I know I'm probably fine, but it's not a risk I'm willing to take. And then also, because new car, it throws a check engine light when the fuel hanger doesn't work. So we're gonna go ahead, pull the back seat out, pull the hanger, see if the wiring looks good, and then go from there. There we have it. We have the hanger out of the car. You guys can't really tell because it's clear, but we do still have quite a bit of fuel in this car as well. So worst case, we can't fix this. I know I have enough fuel to get down to the gas station and top off, but we should be able to get this figured out and fixed. And there we have it. We have the radium hanger reinstalled. Now I need to go ahead and start this car, clear the codes, and see if it functions. And there we have it, guys. The car works. Obviously the car worked before, but the fuel level works. Sometimes it's as simple as unplugging it and plugging it back in. So right now we are going to head out to the Valley. It's about 35 minutes from us right now to hopefully get some more better camera equipment for you guys, a better mic. Because yes, the mic I have on this camera, I cheaped out. It was like $40, and obviously you guys can tell that the audio is not the best sometimes. I'm sure right now it sounds fine, but when we have a lot of background noise like the heater, stuff like that gets really distorted and hard to hear. So we're gonna go spend good money and get an actual nice mic, and then also like a ring light for the camera. Because sometimes there is like very bad lit areas in the shop, because as you guys can see, we have 3 lights just in the middle of the shop. So when we're working in other areas that doesn't get so much light, makes it hard to see on camera. So see if they have any ring lights for my camera. If I would have thought this through better, I took off my windshield wipers when I went to Gatlinburg because it's just a cleaner look. But of course it's raining and it's getting pretty difficult to see, so hopefully it does not do us any bad. I just hit 28,000 miles on my STI. This is a sad day. So many miles on this car now. I mean, relatively, this is a 2017, so it's 6 years old now. So in comparison, not that many miles, but for me, that is more miles than I would like to have on here. And we have made it to our gas station. Time to fill up. That took so long. It was like a 15-minute drive with that train. Ended up being like 35 minutes just to get down to this gas station. So we're gonna fill up, head out to Best Buy, and grab some new equipment. Well, that was a success. This Best Buy in the Valley had everything I needed. I got the nice Rode Pro Plus mic, the nicest mic that they have. I didn't buy this mic initially because I thought the cheaper version would work, but obviously it does not work that well. So I decided to get a proper mic because, you know, this is what I do, YouTube. So I need to make sure I have quality videos for you guys. And plus, it's a write-off.
That's a write-off.
That's a write-off?
Yeah.
Do you even know what a write-off is?
Yeah. It's when you buy something for your business and the government pays you back for it.
Oh, and who pays for it?
Nobody. You write it off.
Who writes it off?
I don't know. The write-off people. What? Why are we having this conversation?
All right, I have the new mic on right now. I did not adjust the settings because this is a fancy mic and has a lot of like decibel settings. So I hope right now it does not sound like trash and completely ruin my video. But here is the new mic. And now I have a nice GoPro mount that I can put anywhere so I can get some POV driving videos for you guys as well. And there we go. I think that is officially the last drive of this turbo setup. I'm pretty much back at my shop now. Truthfully, I'm a little bit sad. I think I'm going to miss this Fender Exit exhaust quite a bit. You cannot beat the looks of it, the sound, and just all the people that stare at me as I drive by them is hilarious. But we're gonna go ahead and give this new turbo kit a try and see how we like it. Also, I had some different GoPro angles for you guys. I don't know if any of them came out good, just driving videos of the car, because I've never really shown you guys just me driving the car. Unfortunately, I wanted to do some little hits for you guys today too, but the roads are pretty wet and a little bit sketchy, and I don't really feel like dying today. But very soon, after we get the new setup on, we're 100% gonna get some street hits for you guys. And then sooner than later is going to be some track days. Here is one last look of what this turbo setup was. And there we have it, boys. We have the car back at my shop tomorrow, bright and early. I don't know exactly what time yet. Doesn't really matter. The car will be getting dropped off at Ranch Built. It'll be there for a few days, and then the build begins. But I thought I'd make you guys a video of at least some POV and different angles of driving the car. I went to Best Buy, picked up a new mic for you guys. I hope right now this is the new mic, so I hope the audio is good for you guys. If not, then I probably need to mess with the settings. I'm not very camera savvy at all, but I'll figure it out. But the next video, the car gets dropped off for the new turbo kit and some other small stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.